Now, let's learn some of the biotic factors that affect communities. It isn't only abiotic factors that affect communities. Biotic factors are very important too. Biotic factors are the living factors that affect communities, and these include the following. First, the availability of food. Well, all animals require food to live, and the availability of food is a major factor in how many animals live in an ecosystem. When food is in short supply, animals will struggle to survive and they will do not breed. Areas like the rainforests with rich food supplies have more species of life than other areas like the deserts, where there is less food. Another biotic factor is the new predators. Well, the arrival of a new predator in an ecosystem can have a devastating effect. This is because organisms that have no defenses against new predators will quickly wipe out. In addition, new pathogens or parasites is also one of the biotic factors that affect communities. Well, if there is a new pathogens and parasites, organisms may be less healthy as they are not resistant to the new pathogens or parasites. And this may kill an entire community if they are not well prepared. And finally, the interspecific competition or the competition between species is also one of the biotic factors that affect communities. And this is because if one type of a species outcompeting another, it may affect the ability for the other species to breed as the population goes down. A good example of this, when the gray squirrels were introduced to Britain and outcompeted the native red squirrels. And these are the biotic factors or the living factors that affect communities.